In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own daily planner in Notion. Notion is a fantastic productivity tool that allows you to organize and streamline your daily tasks. So let's dive in and set up a daily planner that will help you stay on top of everything. To start, open Notion and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile picture or icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to the options where you can customize your experience and explore a variety of templates that Notion offers. Now, let's find a template for our daily planner. Click on the Templates option. This section is packed with different templates that Notion has, and it's a great place to start whether you're new to Notion or looking to streamline your current setup. In the search bar, type in Daily Planner. Notion's search functionality is robust, making it easy to find exactly what you need out of hundreds of template options. Once you type Daily Planner, Notion will fetch the most relevant templates for you to choose from. Look for a template titled Daily Planner or anything similar that fits your needs. Click on that template to open it. This is the moment where the magic of Notion shines through. These pre-made templates are incredibly helpful as they offer a structured format to organize your tasks and schedule without the hassle of creating one from scratch. After opening the template, you'll usually see an overview of the page layout and what kind of entries it supports, like tasks, a schedule, or notes areas, all neatly separated. If it meets your requirements, you're ready to integrate it into your workspace. Simply click the Add button. This will add the template directly to your Notion home and make it immediately available for you to start using. And there you have it! Your daily planner is now all set up and ready to host your tasks, calendar entries, or any notes you might need to keep your day running smoothly. You can customize the planner further by adding new sections, adjusting current ones, or implementing integrations that fit your tools and workflow best. Notion allows you to modify templates quite extensively, so feel free to personalize this planner until it perfectly matches your style and needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. By using Notion's daily planner template, you should be able to enhance your productivity and manage your time more efficiently. Give it a try and see how it transforms your daily organization. Keep exploring more tools and features that Notion offers to make the most out of this powerful platform.